शुक्रारा भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांच्या हाजिरीत फार्मास्युटिकल उत्पादनाचेर प्रवेश योग्यता उपलब्धता आणि परवडपाक योग्य ह्या विशयाचेर कार्यशाळा आयोजित केली। NPPAन ही कार्यशाळा आयोजित केली। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्सल रॉड्रिगीस।
And it's a responsibility of the government to ensure that things are made available. And it's not something that is very common in all the states, depending on the type of programs they have, outreach in terms of providing healthcare to the people of the state. In Goa, because of the initiative of our Chief Minister, just now a mention was made about the national program, insurance program. Actually, the idea started from Goa, because Goa was the first state to come out with universal Mediclaim. And that was started by our Chief Minister last year. And as a result of which, the whole population was being taken care of, though this year again we are making some minor changes to see how we can make it more effective and how to provide up to about 4.5-5 lakhs of rupees per family. We paid a premium close to 100 crores last year. This year I think our premium is expected to go up to about 160 crores, ensuring the whole population. All of us need health, oil protection, healthcare. Health is something that is very important. Sometimes it goes beyond our budget in terms of taking treatment. A mention was just made about the clinical establishment bill. Many times there is a lot of opposition from the private hospital because there are certain standards that need to be maintained. There are various bills by which you can regulate many things, but then there is some problem or the other that comes up. As a result of it, then suddenly opposition comes up and then we are unable to do that. What you mentioned about medicines being available in terms of accessibility, in terms of affordability, which is very important.
Let me first thank the FDA Goa for organizing it. About 2-3 months back, we wrote to around 10. Goa was one of the first states to respond. Even otherwise, we find that FDA Goa has been very active. Whenever there has been some shortage of drug reported in any part of the Goa, we immediately get the information. If there is any kind of overpricing on any scheduled drug or even non-scheduled drug where the increase is more than 10%, we immediately get the information from FDA Goa. So sir, you got a very nice tool, and I compliment the team in Goa for doing a very good work. We are here to discuss the 3 A's: affordability, accessibility, and availability. These 3 A's are very important in healthcare sector.